This newborn elephant is just days old, and she's already discovering her trunk. It wiggles, flops, and sometimes surprises her, but every moment is a step in learning. Today, we're watching the very first days of Tula-Tu's life at the Oregon Zoo, and how she begins exploring the world with her brand new trunk. She was born on a quiet Saturday afternoon, after 20 long months of waiting. This tiny, wrinkly calf took her very first steps just minutes after entering the world, with her mother Rose, too, gently helping her stand. Weighing nearly 200 pounds, she's already showing signs of strength. And her trunk? It flops around as she tries to figure out what to do with it. For now, the zoo staff are keeping their distance, letting mom and baby bond in peace. And Rose, too, is doing an incredible job, protective, calm, and gentle. She's guiding her newborn every step of the way. Just 3 days old, and already full of personality, Tula-Tu is starting to realize she has a trunk, and she's determined to figure it out. It sways, wiggles, and sometimes ends up in the sand. But she's improving with every try. Her movements are still clumsy, but for a newborn, she's showing incredible control. Keepers say she's a quick learner, curious, playful, and already keeping her mom on her toes. It's only been a few days, but this little elephant is already beginning to explore her world, one wobbly trunk movement at a time. At just 5 days old, Tula-Tu had her first big social moment, meeting her auntie Shine. As Rose, too, brought her calf out for introductions, the air filled with trumpets echoing across elephant lands. The three elephants touched trunks in greeting, Rose, Shine, and tiny Tula in between them. While the adults shared hay, Tula happily nursed a family meal, elephant style. In the wild, Asian elephants live in close family herds, and every new calf is welcomed by the whole group. Shine won't just be an aunt, she'll be a mentor, helping guide this little one as she grows. It's the beginning of a lifelong bond, and the herd is already falling in love with its newest member. At just a few days old, she's already left a big impression, curious, steady, and full of personality. So when the zoo's care team confirmed she was a girl, they picked a name that reflects exactly that. It means balance, a nod to the calm energy she's brought to the herd and how she stood on her own just minutes after being born. They added a special suffix to honor her family line, her mom, Rose too, and her grandmother, Me too. Together, it makes the name Tula-Tu, a tribute to her strength, her story, and the powerful females who came before her. She's nursing well, gaining weight fast, and now she officially has a name to grow into. Just 2 weeks old and already full of playful energy. In this quiet moment inside Forest Hall, Tula-Tu scampers around her mom, tossing her trunk and testing her tiny legs. Rose, too, watches calmly as her curious calf explores the space, staying close, but clearly ready for adventure. It's a glimpse of the personality that's starting to shine through, one little play session at a time. From wobbly first steps to playful trunk wiggles, Tula-Tu is already stealing hearts. She may be small now, but every day brings a new discovery, and we'll be here to follow along as she grows. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the Oregon Zoo's channel for even more updates on Tula-Tu and her herd. We'll see you in the next one.